Mic check. Okay. So okay. The stream is up. Ah. Thank you. Notification ಇಲ್ಲ. A voice meter, this is one thing I have to fix. The microphone is working, that's for sure. Yep, I got my notification. That's good. Okay. Why is it taking this long? As usual, I am unable to hear any sounds. Is it for some reason? Hello? I can hear the sounds now. What I'm going to do, I'm not going to send it. Hello? Hello? Where is this sound going from? Hello? Hello? Why does it have an input? Okay, let me see. Voice meter. Hello? Yeah, now it seems fine. The audio is really slow inside this. Was there a reason for it? Let me increase the sound input. Hello? Hello? I don't know if it's this or this. Hello? 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 Okay. Seems fine. What now? What's now? So this means that I should be able to hear the audio. That's fine. Peace out. Perfectly fine. Speak. Hi, how are you? That sounds fine. Okay. Now let's begin with the main task, which is the AI thing. It's a lot more challenging than I expected. I thought really vibe coding would be enough, but looks like it's not really that easy. So challenges are in this way. The first challenge, context. Pretty zoomed out. ChatGPT. Okay. Let's say I have a 2-hour video and I transcribe it using Windows. Transcribe it. I transcribe it using Whisper. I want to break that into segments of timestamp, which is fine. I can do that in local machine, but I want to provide that to an LLM, open source, free, self-hosted, so that I don't have to pay any. Or let's say, even if I pay any for LLM, like OpenAI, how can I pass in that big of a transcribe to an LLM because of context limit? If you're working with a long content like 2 hours video, this problem is facing during the context window limitation of LLM, which means you cannot just shove an entire transcript easily 30K to 60K tokens into a model with 8K to 16K context limit. Here's how it is handled smartly. Chunk the transcript. So chunks overlap between, okay. Tools like LangChain or Llama Index are perfect for this. Use a local or open source LLM, Llama 2 Meta, great quality, open weights, fast and strong, PI2 Gamma. RAG 3 retrieval augmented generation. Use RAG to allow model to search your transcript chunks dynamically instead of trying to stuff them all into a prompt. Okay. All right. The important. I don't want AI to summarize my transcript. It needs to pick up highlights so that I can and return the timestamps of combined clips of max 60 seconds, 60 to 120 seconds, and some other tool, FFmpeg, will generate that clips. That's the main goal. After you're not after a summary, you're after highlight detection with timestamp extraction based on the content. Think like what parts of the transcripts are interesting, important, and high signal. Then you want to grab the timestamps of those movements and generate a short clips with FFmpeg. That's a super smart use case. Let's break this down to a streamline local pipeline rule. Okay. JSON, I have the JSON. You're analyzing a video transcript, something like, oops. It doesn't have to be exactly same, but yeah. The most important part is the highlight. Oh, you're talking, okay. I don't know on which PC I will be able to run the script. Why it keeps suggesting me means rather. Who does it know? If, let's say, I have spoken in that video And how will it combine multiple transcribed sections? Maybe the first chunk and a part of the second. Oh, yeah, give me the code. You know what I'm going to do? Instead of feeding a 2 hours video, I'm going to feed it a 20 or 10 minutes video so that it kind of understand what I'm trying to do. There's a sound book. For some reason, I don't see. Okay. I'm going to download one of my own videos so that I know that I speak in English. What else? It's a 2 minutes video. What do I have in my download? Just deleting unnecessary things. Downloaded. Okay, now copy this and then go into VS Code, coding, AI editor, people. So now instead of input video, I'm going to paste it. Just where's the one I downloaded? It's in this one. Okay, paste. Okay, now let's name it as input2.webm. Web. Okay, let's see if it works fine or not. Python main.py. Still running. Okay, running. It's using my CPU and it took, I don't know when did I execute it. Let's say 9:30 or 9:32. Let's see how much time does it take for a 10 minutes video. Still running. Why can't it use all my CPU at least? I have installed the other drivers. Let me see. Yes, OpenAI, CUDA. Torch, transcribe with timestamp Python. Got no idea what is this, but it looks promising. Okay, instead of this segments, I'm running the same script again. Timer lock. Okay, let's the most challenging part now is to manage the resources. I can't have an LLM running on my streaming PC, it would crush it. So after I'm done with my stream, that's when the true processing would come in. It obviously has the entire video, but for now, for development, I think it's fine to run it in local. So in the meantime, I will use VMware. Definitely took more than 2 to 3 minutes. So that means for a 10 minutes video, it is taking 2 minutes. So for a 2 hours video, it would take 15 minutes at least, which is fine. I can spare 15 minutes. Okay, basically 2 minutes. Yep, makes sense. So this is what I have. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to save it so that I don't have to mess with it again. All right, so comment this out. result equals to, or else like result dot segment something. I got the segments. Name result is not defined. Result equals to none. Let's switch to Python. That would be better. Result equals to none. Now this should definitely work. It passes all data and then should straightforward print, which is it's doing. We got the timestamps. So imagine this is the context. How can I calculate the context? Can I calculate context for an AI where I have the string price? Tokens, okay. Understand the word, what context means? Yeah, it's the tokens, okay. Rule by 4. Oh. Biggest context, open LLM model Olama. Can install this in that other machine. Please. Using command line interface. See this. Olama, Olama, Olama. Models. What is the context size for this? Which one is the free and has most context? Open source 32,000. Okay. What? Models. Gamma 3. What is the context size for this? Context size, please. Most large context. And LLM model. Olama. Where is the context size? Is it most capable? Yeah, what do you mean by these 2.8 million gamma 3 model parameters? Let me try installing Olama. Oh, I don't have those. Interesting. I would like to install Olama and see how it reacts. I hate this copy paste issue. Downloading Olama on my VMware. There are 2 to 3 challenges as of now. The first thing, imagine I have like a 3200K context. That's a big one. I cannot feed it to one AI. I need to break it into chunks. That's one problem. And second problem, imagine there are 2 chunks and the first part has some meaning data and the second part has some meaningful data. But they must be in a single context in order to populate a valid reel or a short. That means I need to re-push the same context to the AI so that it can analyze those contexts again. I think I can use the OpenAI in the meantime. I have the segments, so coding made easy. I'm not sure about this, but doesn't ChatGPT has context of your whole chat history? I haven't really logged in, so it is called as cached context. So yes, it does have it so that it can save some. I mean, we can save some money, but that's not what I'm trying to do. Coding made easy. I think you might be new to my channel, or is this a second account for yours? Anyway, show my face. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about coding and a bit of gaming. Yep. Welcome to the channel. There are a few exciting things you can do, but I will come straight to the question. But before that, you can control a lot in my stream. You can control what appears on my face and the layout. If you want to see my screen, just type !screen and it would just move it. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. It's an exciting thing. Do it. You can remove your like again if you don't really like my stream. So yeah, I'm going to promote my. Thanks for the like, whoever did it. Thank you so much. If the new guy did it, respect. I had to remove the sound because I was getting the copyright. Yeah, that's my respect animation. So answering your question, the thing which I'm trying to build now is, let's say I have recorded an entire live stream which can last 2 to 3 hours. So I want to generate clips out of it. like short form clips or long form, doesn't matter. But those mods on the top of the video are cool. These mods on the top of the video are talking about the UI or the Relangi Mama. The Relangi Mama is my bot, which I built using Golang and TypeScript. It handles a lot of things. Again, I can explain to you all, but first I would like to show you what I'm trying to do. So imagine a video 3 hours long. It's just my live stream. I want to generate some animations. No, I was talking about Salute and the animation that came in. I like. Yeah, there are so many other cool things, but let's answer this and then I can show you, I can walk you around my channel. You can do a lot of cool stuff. There is speak command, there is put commands, there is points, there are a lot of things. Again, which is all built by. So again, let's continue with my explanation. So now this long form video will be converted to a text along with the timestamps, so that I would like to feed this transcript to the AI and want it to pick a perfect video. Like, let's say out of 3 hours, if it could pick 10 short form, let's say 10 clips. It doesn't have to be vertical. It doesn't have to convert it to vertical, just 10 clips, so that it can save me time and I could just directly upload it to YouTube, which could bring in more views. That's the main goal. There is already an existing tool which is called Opus or Clap, something like this. This is a lot more superior than what I'm trying to do. This is exactly my motivation. You can see there is a long form video. It does a lot. It does auto framing, it does captions, etc. I don't want all those. I just want a long form video where AI can like edit it, like move, we can say like trim it. It can remove the silence part. It can just bring, okay, this section seems important. Okay, let's make it a small video. Okay, this section makes sense. It doesn't really have to match, like bring in different words. It's just, let's say the interesting part starts from this section. It can have some garbage conversations in between, but ends at the conversation. The main topic can end in a longer time. These clips, I can manually edit them, but it saves me a lot of time if AI can do this thing. So imagine this transcribe, which can be a really lengthy. If I can't really feed it to the AI. I can't really use OpenAI API as well. That could be super expensive with the context which I'm trying to give, so that's not possible. And the second thing is obviously running things in local and just batching up the context, so that the AI, the ChatGPT was saying about something like sliding window. So 10 short of time, which would, yes. So with those timestamps, I'm going to use FFmpeg to like basically trim out those parts, create a separate videos, which I can download, or again, these are on in the same network, which I can load up in my phone and then basically do some minor changes in my free time and then upload it. It could save a lot of time. Trust me, I tried. So this is what I tried. I used to stream till 11:30. Now it's almost 10. I thought like, okay, let's stream it till 11:30 and then use 30 minutes until 12 midnight to edit a video. But that's not possible. I was sitting for like 45 minutes and I could only generate like one short clip. Maybe I could be a little bit more faster if I do it too often, but that was breaking my sleep schedule. But even at 12 o'clock, I would not be like drop dead to sleep. It would take some more time to go into sleep and I will still be thinking about that video. So I thought to search for an open like this clips, and I actually thought to pay for them, but they are really expensive. You can say like $15 is not that much, but again, they only offer 150 credits per month, and they're like remove. It's not really that useful. So there is this, but it's only for one pack. I already have a little script, which is this. So this is how the transcribe looks. As you can see, it has. I have downloaded one of my own video, which is 10 minutes long. As this transcribe is being done locally using Whisper, OpenAI, Turbo model, it does its job pretty well, but it's taking for 2 minutes or for a 10 to 15 minutes video, it's taking 2 minutes on my machine using CPU based processing. I had a timer, you can see it here. First, it was taking more than 15 minutes for the 2 hours video, which I had previously. I thought, like, just for testing, just for developing, let's use a shorter video, like 10 minutes. So this is the text that gave me. So in short, I would just like to give it to the AI, and I want it to, like, okay, this segment, let's say this section seems interesting. Okay, let's this is a section. Okay, let's explain one by one. Right? I want it to, like, I don't want it to summarize. That's not what I want. I want it to generate clips. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you my screen. Back to gaming. So now you know what I'm doing. I'm trying to do. I already see a lot of challenges in this, but we'll keep it pushing. In the meantime, I have worked a lot for those commands in my stream. I would like you to try them. There is speak command. There are a lot of other cool things. If you're interested, just say yes, and I'll give you a quick introduction. There are cool. So again, the moment you liked my stream, something happened. But if you dislike my stream, something else will happen. Give it a try. In the meantime, I'll try to fight this demon, whatever it is. See, I heard this. Why would you dislike? Yeah, that's something. So people like it. Yeah. People have fun with it. So that's. Thanks for liking it back. Thanks for giving my like back. So that's like and dislike, pretty basic. The next thing is the speak command. This was introduced back in 2021 or 2, where I was only streaming gaming videos, and I couldn't see that. I couldn't read the chat while I was playing, so people were really upset. So what I did, I brought up the speak command, which does basically this, and people use it for different use cases. They just put some lyrics inside it, trying to annoy me. So this is how you use it. I just sending a message. I was meant to say coding made easy, but I mistyped it. So that is the speak command. It's very useful. People do a lot of weird stuff, something like this. I kind of decreased the sound now, because in the previous streams, people were just trying to blast my earphones. I decreased a little bit of sound, but basically that's the introduction of the speak command. There are other cool things. Probably you might have left. Oh, you're still here? Okay. So the other cool thing is this Golang Imama. As your name suggests, you are interested in coding, so I would like to go a little bit deeper. So Golang Imama handles everything in my stream. It knows what user has texted or commented. It knows how many messages we have sent on all my live streams while I was live, and it assigns points to you. It knows what commands you are using. And the other thing is, let's say you want to see my face, you can just type face. Imagine you don't like my face, you can just put Iron Man. So if you don't like Iron Man, you can type this. So maybe you like, there are some other things. Frog. How are you? So there will be a little banners whenever you reach certain points. I had a pretty good music for it, but people were like, it's too disturbing. So I turned off the music, but this banner was still alive, still up here. There are other cool things. So as you can see, Golang Imama is now congratulating me for 240 points. But if you want to see your stats, like how much stats you have, you can type this and it will give you a small link. Forget the Streamlabs, it's not really active anymore. So if you click on that link for your username, you'll be greeted by one of my websites. This is the only website I own, and you can see your profile. If you press that link, you will be opening my profile, but you can also open your own profile. And if you open it, you will see. Oh, that's exactly the reason why I introduced this screen and face commands, so that people were like, "Bro, can you show your screen? Can you change your layout?" I was like, this is getting too distracting, so let's just give the control for yourself. So yeah, screen. So you can go to my website. Cool, to use it in Teams. Yeah. So I can just use, you can go to this one of my website and you will see all the users who were part of my live streams. You can see the top viewers. These are the top viewers because they have highest points. These are the new viewers. Look at whom I'm showing to you. Coding Made Easy. There are basically new users. That means they have joined today or yesterday. And these are the old viewers who are basically joined like the day one. I used to have a really big database before that was deleted. So now I'm trying to have a cloud copy of each day for each day. So yeah, you can basically search your name, coding Made Easy. You can just press it and you will see your last comment you made and the first stream you joined. If you check this out later, a week later, probably you will be in another stream. So basically that's the reason you have same streams on the left and the right side. I understand this doesn't really look that good as of now, but again, this is what I build and I'm really good at building websites. I will be improving that later on. I do write blogs. It's just a hobby. So let's talk less about this. Where are you hosting this? How much does it cost you? So I'm using Hugo for a static site building. I don't really host it, but I'm using like basic Cloudflare for the domain. I got it from Pork Brand for like $9 a year, super cheap. But I do have a Raspberry Pi which has 5 servers inside them. First server, obviously the Relangi Mama, which does all its stream things, etc. I don't really turn it off. It just stays there all day and it would understand what I'm trying to do. It recognizes a new stream. It's smart enough. It's written in Golang and it's super efficient. I can talk about that if you want. That's another stream. And the second server is the Blazing Bane, the main website. Obviously, it needs to have a backend. So, as you know, Hugo, are you aware of this Hugo site? It's a static site builder. It's not a React or an Angular framework. It's just pure HTML and CSS. So obviously, yeah, like simple JavaScript. Obviously, it's not a React or a single page application. Then you might be wondering, how can I have like dynamic data being loaded inside this? So from here, everything is written in Alpine.js. Alpine is really minimal JavaScript framework. If you might ask me, why not just use React? Because I write blogs and React and Angular websites are not really meant to be used for blogging. But again, in the same website, blogs is better to have a static site because that's the reason they load pretty fast. And you can see the viewers count. These data comes from my backend. So yeah, it's a static site which has dynamic component inside them. So that is the reason I'm using Alpine.js, because I have more static content than dynamic. If I have more dynamic, then I would have gone for Angular or something. But yeah, so using this Alpine.js, it would make a request for my backend, which is hosted in my Raspberry Pi. It has all the information it needs. And yeah, that's how the site is working. I try to keep things simple. I don't really follow hype. Like, why not use Rust? Because why would I use something which takes me 3 to 4 months to learn and then build it? Instead, I can just use a language which is simple, as efficient as Rust, as fast as Rust, might be slower. It's fine. It's a trade-off. It saves me time. It's super easy to work on Windows and develop it. You say simple after all this. Well, you joined it today, but if someone liked my stream, please, thank you, thank you. Yeah, thanks for the like. How many likes do I have now? And Railing Mama knows that you guys are liking the stream. It would tell me if I reach 5 or 10. But as of now, I don't know if I reach 2, 3, 4. Okay, you have joined this to my channel for the first time. You might be feeling this a little bit complex. But trust me, you can make this a lot more complex. I'm an Android developer, so I don't really know much difference between web frameworks. I understand. I do build apps using React Native and Android Studio, which I was about to talk about. So I'm not advocating now, I'm not promoting my Instagram, but again, if you go follow my Instagram, forget follow. If you just like or comment on my Instagram, there will be an alert in my stream, like live. That's a cool thing. I don't think anyone has it. Instagram doesn't really have an API for just like how someone subscribes my YouTube channel and you will get an alert. The same thing applies for Instagram. But my Instagram is dead. I only have like 40 followers. I did it kind of a hobby. So yeah, if you go follow or like or comment on one of my Instagram content, you will have a alert here stating that, hey, this person has left a like or this person has left a comment. It's cool, but it's useless. Why? Whoever is in my Instagram right now who is liking my content, they're not in my live stream. So it doesn't really make any like a use case. Did you understand? So you are watching my YouTube video. That's another thing. You liked my Instagram. How would you know that there was an alert in the YouTube live stream? But this is the thing. I build a lot of projects just out of hobby. I enjoy it. I feel happy that I was able to achieve this. It was a challenge for me to build that thing. It was not really simple, but I enjoyed it. I learned a few things. After it came to work, everyone was like, "Whoa, bro, it works awesome. Yeah, now you can." But one of my viewers were like, so he went to my Instagram and he commented and he came back. He was like, "Did the alert came? Did the alert work?" I was like, "Yeah, it came." Then I realized whoever likes my Instagram, they won't be able to watch my stream unless they are obviously aware of this and they are jumping between the apps. I was like, yeah, it's basically useless. So I didn't really develop any further in that segment. Maybe one day it would be useful, but until now, everyone had a great laugh that day. Even I laughed. Okay, I have spent like entire week to develop this, but again, it's basically useless. So from that point, just like how you saw the Iron Man and everything, some people liked it, some people like no, it breaks the communication or a relation between viewer and a streamer. So I stopped developing certain things, which after realizing that they don't really give me any value apart from my happiness that I build such thing. So I'm focusing on things which can bring me some value to me or to the channel. That's where the direction is heading now. Yeah. Anyway, that's the basic introduction. I do build a lot of weird things. After building things, I didn't think about it. So again, welcome to my channel. This is how it is. My name's Blazing Bean. Oh, Mohit, welcome to the stream, bro. Everything's fine. I'm almost. Thanks for the intro. I think splitting a video into short clips is a great idea. Yeah, I really need it. I really need it. I was currently learning about e-poll, and I wasn't even aware of those terminologies. What is that? E-poll? Are you talking about electronic polling? No, sorry. After learning OS fundamentals, this is the thing. I am good at development, but I am not really good at theoretical information. Is a Linux kernel system call for a scalable input-output event notification mechanism. Oh, నువ్వు తెలుగా బ్రో నువ్వు తెలుగా బ్రో నాకు తెలియదు బ్రో నేను తెలుగే బయట యా రియలింగ్ ఓకే నీకు మొత్తం తెలిసిపోయింది అయితే కూడా సో యా మోహిత్ what is this? I have no interest deep diving into like too much low level. What is the other thing? Ring. Oh, it outperforms this thing in every. That means this can be adapted by the Linux community, and Linux will be a little bit more faster. I even forgot I was downloading the Olama NPG. Yeah, because it's fine. I'm not really running. It is already in Linux. What version is it in Linux? Because not if you're using Debian, you might be like 2 years past. Oh, LinkedIn. That's one platform I truly hate. I don't use any social media, bro. The only thing I use is Twitter. That too, only to know what's happening. I hate LinkedIn to my core. I just hate it. So yeah, I won't even use it. So there is no reason for you to connect with me. Kernel version 5.6 greater than it. All of them have it. Interesting. Interesting, Mohit. That's a good resource. So coding made easy. What should I call you? Should I call you easy? I think easy is fine. So I don't really use Instagram. I don't even have it in my phone. So I stay away from them. The only thing I use is Twitter because I don't really like it. It's just there is something I get from it, like what's happening. Even though that content is trash or cringe, I can just scroll it and find the things which I need, find the news which I need. Other than that, I have no meaning to use it. Same here, by Insta use नहीं करता हूँ. Insta equals to free का do not depression. I don't really use it. Anyway, thanks for joining Easy. Telugu Talli Viddalam. Okay, let's get back to the work. What was I trying to do? So yeah, I was trying to install a Gamma or whatever this is model. Apparently, this is a lot more better. Does anyone have any idea of these LLMs so that I can identify which one has the larger context? Yeah, I stream almost same time. Thanks for joining. Hope you subscribed. For some reason, I don't really get any alerts. I came to know that the people who are subscribing, they need to have a setting turned on in their YouTube stating that show my subscriptions to the public. That's when the alert appears. If it's private, doesn't matter if you subscribe, there won't be any alert. But again, if you are going to subscribe, you would have subscribed anyway. Okay, to your last question, you can go to the Hugging Face. I remember seeing context window then. Hugging Face. Oh, you have 30 points. Have you seen that alert which drops? I removed the audio, but I don't know whether it's working fine or not. Hugging Face. Is this one? This was the one I had it open previously. I don't see any the Hugging Face here. Oh, I subscribed, and even I don't know what we need to enable it in YouTube. That's yes, that's awesome. Thanks for answering multiple things. It's really convenient. You know what? Back in 2022, everyone was using speak command, but now no one is using it because I'm reading the chat. Speak command, developing it using multi-threading, concurrency, it was really hard, but after all that effort, no one really used it. You can see another models here as well. I still, oh yeah, it has 128K context window. This is exactly what I need. What is this 27B? Okay, Gemma 3. Is a model or multi-model processing image and text. Features 120 countries with a support over 120 languages available. What are these parameters? I don't know much about AI. I'm still learning. What is 27B? They excel in tasks like questioning, answering, summarization, and reasoning, while their compact design allows development on resource-limited devices. This looks promising. Yeah, 27 billion parameters, but what is the difference between parameter and a context? I can ask ChatGPT, but you guys seem a lot smarter. Mohit, any idea, bro? Wait, DeepSeek R1 is, but I don't want it to do math. I just want it to like highlight processing. Okay, let's just download this then. So, is it? Anyways, yeah, see you. Thanks for joining. I had to charge my phone. 1 second. So which one should I download now? For text and multi-vision. Yeah, let's go with 128K context window with just 4 parameters. It's fine. Okay, let's do this. I think it has to download it first, I guess. Yeah. It's still happening. The 4 GB. Is it turned on? Hi, are you alive? That's a really interesting question. As an AI, I don't really express like. Okay. Yeah, cool run. It's fine. Take a deep breath, please. Okay. So I got this AI now. How can I make it? Oh, llama. So I got this running. How can I use it on HTTPS? You're running a web server, fast sudo nginx. Okay. The hell? What is this Hugging Face? I'm using Olama. Okay, this is the one. If it works fine, I don't see any problem. Olama is running. Yeah, okay. That's interesting. I didn't know about it. I don't really need HTTP. Forget HTTP. How can I call it? I see it's running. But if you want to call your Olama model locally, no HTTP, no first. Here is how you do it. Oh. Okay, let's give it a try then. Can I open a new window? Okay. Okay, there is one. Okay. Generate. This is the IP. What is the IP for this? What is the IP for this? It's 10.207. Terminal, Mr. Pearl. Okay. Notepad. Let's paste it in a notepad and then get it out. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Space. Kind of use like font. Okay. So I got the segments. I have the JSON, that's fine. Then sliding window, then what? Merge chunks. Oh, replace this with this coding. Okay. I got segments. I got llama gamma running in my PC. HTTP is also available. What next? Okay. I don't know what it's trying to do, but this seems interesting. I think it didn't. Oh yeah, it has segments. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Where is the payload? Oh, let's copy this. AI.py. What other things is missing? It's missing requests. I don't think that would be a real problem now. After 2 minutes, it needs to do these things. So where is the HTTP IP address for it? 10.4.0.3.1. Okay. 0.2.0.7, that's the IP, and you are analyzing a segment of a video. Determine if the segment contains an emotional hook. Okay. Transcribe chunk and text. Okay, this seems interesting. Now let's write on it. Less Python AI.py. I don't know what error might we get now. Let's see. The processing of the video might be started by now. Just need to wait for some time. Oh, looks like it's not started yet. Still happening. It would generally take 2 minutes to process this. Let's have some patience. I think it's better to install this llama somewhere else. How much storage do I have in my PC? In the meantime, I can work with my, let me see what other tasks do I have. Okay, max retry exceeded. Failed to establish a connection. No connection could be made to the target machine and refused it. Interesting. So this looks like a basic Python script anyways, so why not just I'm running. Yeah, it's already, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, dismiss. Is it a post message or a get message? How can I test it? What is it? Postman. Testing goes super photo and postman create a HTTP post method. Okay. This is the URL for it, that's fine. And the IP address goes in this way. It's 10.0.0.07. Java. This is the prompt. Send. Does it? Didn't really work. Means I need to go install it somewhere else. Why is it not running? Why won't it enable it? This is just a loop back, so this is the this is not possible. What is the other sort of thing is just possible? I'll be back. I'll turn on my other PC so that I can use it for this LLM. 1 second. I'm here. I'm here. Okay, so my hair is all okay. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, what else? Okay. Oh, llama. Open. Still downloading now? I'm going to turn off my Linux as it's no longer needed. Power off. It can save some time. While this is still being downloaded, I can work on my blocks page. Again, save up some time. Coding. What was the thing I wanted to do? I wanted to have a tribute section. That's the first part. Okay. Lede. Door close. Look at sound. Still downloading. Why is it taking this long? Good morning, brother. Undegreed engineer. Show my face. Welcome to the stream, bro. What's up? So you don't have any degree, or what is the story behind that name? Anyway, welcome to the stream. This is Blazing Bane. I enjoy programming and a bit of gaming time to time. Yeah, there are a lot of cool things you can do on my stream. Relangi Mama is my bot, which I built using Golang and TypeScript. I can give you a small introduction and a walkthrough about what happens in my stream on a regular basis, but I will first accept questions from you if you have any. If you might ask what I'm currently trying to do, I'm trying to rebuild or build something like this application for my own. I don't really have any plans to do a business on this, just it's too expensive. I just wanted to try building one for my own. This is a great application, no problems with it. I don't really expect my application would do all these things. It just needs to process, analyze my video, which is a long form, or a live stream, which can last for 2 hours. I just wanted to highlight some clips, trim it, make it into small videos. It doesn't really have to edit captions or like try to place it in a vertical format. It's just need to process it. That's what I'm trying to do, and I'm facing challenges. Currently, I'm installing Olama in one of my other machines. Yeah, it's taking some time. I did install this already in my primary machine and a VMware. There are a lot of issues. I just thought to install it in some other PC, which has almost equivalent specifications. It also has i7 12700K. It has 3080, so it should be good. Anyway, the moment you said good morning, that means you are in a different time zone as me. So, yeah, I talked a lot. If you have anything to ask, just go ahead, ask it. Back to gaming. Almost done. Trying to work on my blog in the meantime. I don't really have any changes to make, honestly. Oh, I didn't really push this change. This should have been already added. What are the changes I did here? Oh, I'm resetting the commands list. Okay, that's definitely needed. Yeah, install please. Do we have enough space here? Kinda. I'm waiting for it to install. Once this is done, I then have to download the model which I want to use, which has almost 128 something context window, which should be mentioned here. Yeah, 128k context. Probably if we divide it by 5, 60k tokens. That's impressive. No, 6k. 2.5k, I guess. Done. It's still happening, so it's fine. Main.go. So this was the initial messages, and where is the commands list? Here is the commands list. It's going to pull it from my database, which is in MongoDB. Let's see what's happening in that. MongoDB. Done. Olama run Jemmy. What is the thing? Hey, Rishabh Singh. Hey, show my face. Welcome to the stream, bro. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. If you have anything to ask, just ask it. If you want to give me an introduction, what is my channel about, I can start talking. But if you want to know what commands do I have, just type !CMDS. I have a lot of interesting things in my stream, which I build on my own. I would love it if you try it. Yeah. Those are interesting. So back to gaming. I'm trying to install an open like Olama based LLM, but I forgot the model name, which I'm trying to think should be here. Yep, this one. I'm going to use this 4B parameter model, which is fine for my use case. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Olama run gamma 3. Oh, sorry, gamma 3 4B. While that's being installed, I can just wait for it. Yeah, in the meantime, if you have anything to ask, you can ask it. If you also into programming, consider liking the stream. You can remove the like if you don't really like it, but if you like it, something's going to happen. I guess you will love it, but give it a try. If you don't like it, you can dislike my video. No problem. Right. Thanks for the like, Rishabh. So that's what happens if someone or anyone likes my stream. Now, if you can dislike, something else will happen. Yes, I am actually streaming from US. You can see the time somewhere here. Struggling with DSA. Any suggestions? Struggling with DSA. You're asking a person who never done much DSA. Apart from me trying to say some garbage, I don't really know what to say. If you're struggling with a, what do you call it, an algorithm, I think you already could. Thanks for the like. So yeah, my stream has finally reached 5 likes. Finally, I can go to sleep happily today, which I'm not going to do now. I still can stream for an hour. So Rishabh, the only thing I can suggest for you is uh, basically I'm not really that good at DSA, so you are already better than me in DSA, so I can't really suggest you any solutions. Sorry about that, but my respect. I pay my respects for you for doing DSA. I always try to do it, but then I get more fun and more dopamine if I do some projects instead. I'm not really getting that much time to learn DSA. I should have started it a few years ago, but yeah, that's the reason. But yeah, kudos for you. So don't give up. Everything is easy to learn these days. So just stay consistent. Some might learn it in 2 days. You might be learning it a week, but someday you're going to learn it. Don't give up hope. Hi, are you alive? Looks like it is. Is it using a GPU instead? I think this is really fast than my machine. In my machine, it was running really slow. I don't have GPU. How can I turn on GPU? How can I turn on GPU? Thank you. I'm happy to help. If you want to learn other than anything else, I can help pretty much. I have built a lot of janky things. But again, it's up to you. There is speak command. There are other cool things in my stream you can try. But looks like once you get any interest, let me know. Where is this? How can I turn on the GPU? I'm supposed to just press right click and it should show me an option. Looks like that's not the case. Oh yeah, right here. Okay, so if I execute or if I ask him, how can I build something like Opus or Lab? I don't see any different. Oh yeah, it's using the GPU. It's using the GPU. 94, 95%. That's what I really wanted. Man, it's crushing the entire GPU. Where to start? This is what I wanted. So now what is the IP for this? This machine, the IP address is 8. So let me try pinging 8 to see if it works. I wanted to do a port open for this maybe. You can see the AI is really fast. It's using the GPU, which is awesome. I can just type this and you can see the GPU is spiking up to 94% and the response is really fast. But in my machine, the response is really slow. It's true that I didn't really install NVIDIA CUDA drivers and I was also running it in Linux, which doesn't really support CUDA. So you're not aiming for a massive dataset or optional resource used to classify a learning language, okay? Now I need to use it based on the network. Okay. Let me first test. I don't think I have instead ChatGPT. Where is the ChatGPT start now? Okay. I have Olama installed. How can I call localhost URL to access it? Give me a command which can be executed in CMD Windows. I know the command, I just too lazy. Windows in one line, which is really important. I cannot convert this. Okay, that's fine. Now let's try to run it. Context out application string says this. Does it really wanted me to run it in CMD instead? Oh, okay. It's kind of working. So instead of Olama, it's Gemma. It's Gemma. Gemma, not found. What is it? It's Gemma 3. Oh, what is the model which I'm running? No, don't go. Use Spring AI in Spring Boot and integrate with Olama. Chaitu, welcome back, man. You only had one message in the previous stream. Now you have two. I'm not really going into a full-fledged API as of now. I just wanted to be accessed from another PC. That's the only intention. I just wanted to test it with localhost first so that I can port forward from this PC to my PC. As you can see, I'm basically remoting into one of my other PCs, which has a better graphics card and it has basically no use. So I have my gaming PC, my streaming PC, and this. Thanks for the like, Chetu. Respect. Yeah, just a test run. I kind of forgot what was the model I have installed. So let me see if I can only scroll a bit too fast. I installed Gemma 3. That's the one I did. It's Gemma. Yeah, it's Gemma. No one. I have installed Gemma 3. Okay. Oh, I need to specify Gemma 3B, not just Gamma. Okay, is it possible that I need to install this? I mean, I have to copy paste the exact same keyword. That's fine. I can try it. Looks like it's working. It kind of did it, I guess. And it's really fast. We can see it's using the full-fledged GPU. I'll show it to you. It's using 32% and idle. I don't know why that's the case, but so now let me see the process. The moment I give it some work, you can see it spikes 41%, 58, and then drops back to 30. If I ask anything which is a little bit more complex, prompt, it was like, hello, how are you? Can you build me a Python script which can output, hi, how are you? I don't know what I was typing. Yeah, you can see it's using like 98% and then fall back. Awesome. So now let's use it based on IP address. If that works fine, then I have no problem. Come on, scroll all the way to the left. Are you guys able to see this? I'll just zoom it in a little bit. Why do you love Spring Boot though? Welcome back, QT. Respect. 0.0.8. If this works, then yeah, it's not really a port forward. Let me set it up. I don't know how to set it up. Firewall. I think I need to just enable firewall, accept a port, allow a feature. Olama, does it have Olama inside it? Yeah, I do have Postman. As you can see, I also have Postman. I really use it. But do you think I need Spring Boot for this? Do you think I need to run a Spring Boot application and then use it? Again, I'm not using extensive AI. Use LangChain. Yeah, I wanted to try it, man. I really wanted to try it, but the thing is, I cannot run this LLM in my streaming PC. Remove. The second thing, I cannot run it in my gaming PC as well. Remove. This is the PC of my roommate. He has the exact same specifications which I have, so running it in his PC is good. Where can I run any other model? And LangChain is really used for chaining multiple LLMs, if I'm right. Correct me if I'm wrong as well. Spring gives me the best interface to work with. Okay, simple. I understand. Let's turn on Olama. I don't see Olama here. Oh, yeah, there is no Olama inside this. So this is not the. How can I advance settings? Write a rule, inbound, outbound. We can use LangChain to call Olama only. I don't really need another tool. I just, any LLM of your choice, DeepSeek or whatever, then store it in your local PC. Use Olama, which helps you to make it compatible with your PC. Yeah, is that the case? I thought you were talking about a Spring Basic API. Spring AI is an application framework for AI engineering. It's your data, then AI. Does it help me achieve my goal, which is I have a 2 hours video, I transcribe into segments like audio, text. Again, imagine how long the text can be. So I'm breaking it to chunks and then feeding it to AI so that it can give me the timestamps of a valid or highlights of that video. Okay, I'll definitely give this a try. But the problem is, this person doesn't really use that much PC. I haven't tried this though. Yeah, it seems interesting. I don't mind Spring Boot. It basically powers up like what, 40 to 50% of the enterprise network as of now. Before cloud, it was almost 80%, I think. No, 80% is really big. 60%. There are like .NET as well. At its core, Spring AI addressed the fundamental challenge of AI integration, connecting your enterprise data with API. I don't have enterprise data. But yeah, I will definitely use it. You know what? I already wasted an hour trying. Oh, I haven't tried this Olama Python, I'm saying. But it's already running an HTTP server. All I need is just to let it put forward this. I'll just ask AI. I forgot how to do this thing. It should be in the control. How can I access using IP address? It shouldn't be this hard. Yeah, it is running in that machine. Firewall, yes. Where should I? Inbound rule, not outbound? Okay. Firewall. Oh, not this one. Firewall. Advanced settings, inbound, where is it? Inbound rule. New rule, I guess. Yeah, port. Next, what is the damn port? It's all local ports, it's fine. Yeah. Name Olama. Okay, do I need to do a restart? I don't think so. Surprising. Oh, any IP, this IP general port. Allow disconnection. All ports. TCP. Do I have to specify this? Port type any? Okay. Do I have to restart my PC? Or Do I have to set up an outbound rule? Maybe port, all remote ports. What is this outbound rule? Olama. Right, restart the terminal or something for some reason. Let me just copy this. Might be someone disappointed that I'm unable to fix this thing. Sorry. I can understand that you don't really like my content. No worries. Just tell me what you didn't like so that I can improve it. Not 7, no, it's 08. Hey, thanks for the like. Thank you. You're on the track, bro. Yeah. Someone is really playing with my likes and dislikes. It's fine. If you are having fun, I don't have any complaints. These are some of the things which we do once in a while and we kind of forget how to do this. I didn't really think this would be this hard. How about this? Just for now. Just relax. Let me run this stupid thing. Did it work for localhost? Yeah, it's working for localhost. It's fine. Just let me use it, dude. I have a bigger task to finish. It's not working. Failed connect. I've turned off the entire security thing, but it doesn't want it to. How did I enable this in my PC? There should be some internet kind of a thing which needs to be enabled. What is that thing? Can anyone help me out, please? Or what was the other thing? I don't know if it have Python installed. Python. Well, looks like they don't really have Python as well. That's the thing. No one really uses this PC that often, so I need to find a simpler solution. I don't want to install Python Spring AI into this PC because it's not mine. I just want to run AI in this. Do I have to set up something in here? Do I have to like set up an some kind of port forwarding or something? No. How about this? Oh, that doesn't really work. Yeah, install it. But you have env, right? It won't get installed in its PC itself. It will get into the virtual machine. This is not my computer. I'm using someone else. It's Olama installed, that's fine, but installing all programming languages, they're not a programmer by them. It's just their PC. I have all this stuff installed in mine, but it's not really capable to run AI. Hey Pranav, welcome back to the stream, bro. Python dash, what version does it have? Oh, it's version. Okay, that's something. What is the simplest way to install like a HTTP server in Python? Python HTTP server. I just want to test it. Allow. See, this is some kind of interesting. Okay. 10.0.0.8. What was the port number? It's 8000. If this is working for IP address, then why not the damn thing? Yeah, it's not me. I have Python. This PC owner they don't really use Python. They are much into SQL and Microsoft SQL Server. That guy is a data engineer indirectly, and they only deal with SQL. Well, yeah, just use this PC as an AI server. That's it. I don't really expect anything other than that. But we can see, I just need to turn on some permissions, I guess. How can I? Do I need? Give me a Python script which accepts the post body. Yeah, that's too stupid. Why not? It would work. Why wouldn't it work? Olama run server open. Yeah, someone actually had the issue. The issue is by default Olama binds to 0 and port okay, which is restricted by the local machine. This means even okay. The solution is there any command bro? Why? Yes. I think it's not really the issue is with Python. It's something else. Only use each socket. Okay, is normally permitted. So instead of this, I need to use 0.000. But I don't know how to change it. Okay, on Windows, quit Olam application and then edit environment variables of your account. Dude, what is this, man? Quit Olama, thank you so much. Environment variables. I'll open some random shit. Okay, environment variables. What is the thing? Olama. Do I have Olama? No. By default, tunnel. Which tunnel you want? Oh yeah, VPN tunnel. It's too much. Even for that, the thing is, it's not really a problem with the PC. It's the Olama not allowing any other IP address. Yes, that's fine. But why would I waste? That's not a reliable solution. But yeah, that can be done for like testing. Yeah, totally fine. It can save me time as well. But I want to fix this for one time because I decided to use this PC for AI. Why not set it up properly by changing this? Okay, Windows 7 control panel. Okay, environment variable. Add or edit the variable for Olama post. Okay, it's this. Okay. Okay. What next? Once this is done, apply, restart the Olama application from the start menu, verify. Okay. Olama. Probably this would work this time, I guess. What was that? Yeah, I guess it's working. I think it's working. Let's see. Okay, you won't. It's not like that. I don't think it would work. Done. So no mas. Okay, we must appreciate this dude. Is there any way I can appreciate without donation? Probably. Thank you so much. Yeah, like that's the thing. Oh, I don't really have money. I'm broke. Yeah, it worked. It worked. Thank you. Closing all the stuff. Okay, closing notepads, not needed. Okay, now this is not needed. This is not needed. Okay, let's go back to my PC now. Put celebration. There is actually a thing called party. Yes. But people were spamming it, so I just removed it from the access of the user. But I can just manually turn it on. I wanted to give access to all my exciting things, but it's just, people. And once I turn it on, it will be a headache for me to turn it off instantly because it's a program which handles it. I need to change the code. That's the reason I also wanted to do these things on the fly. I wanted to build a front end for my Golang. Thanks for the like. Whoever did it, thank you so much. How many likes do I have now? At least 5? So let's get back to my program. It should be this one. Yeah, this one. Instead of 2, it's 8. Now let's see how it handles it. Thanks for the like. I love you, bro. What's happening, man? Okay, let's try to run this. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, the timer start. Basically, it's okay. I love you too. Now give me my like back. Still running. Running. It takes 2 minutes to process this, so let's wait patiently. I need to turn on the CPU. The GPU version. It might be a little bit faster than this. It's not me, love. Then who was it? I wish I can get the information who liked my stream, but that's not possible. 1 second, people. I might need to take this. It's a voice message, and this is also one other problem. I can't really mute it unless it was this button. Just 1 minute. Well, I'm back. It's nothing important. So yeah, I see some people are liking and disliking. They're having fun. That's all what I want. Have fun. No problem. It shouldn't take this long. Oh, I forgot to put that thing back. 1 second. It will be working fine now. You know what? I got some other cool stuff to show you guys. What's up? This is too slow, bro. I'm processing a 10 minutes video. I understand it's too slow, but what is this now? Okay. It's just for testing. I can speed it up by using a GPU, but I need to install the GPU drivers. Joker. That's what happens when you use Joker. What is this? Handling. Oh, during an exception, another error occurred. Awesome. Yeah, 10 minutes video, yes. It's not like a short video. I can speed up the process of this by using GPU, but that involves installing CUDA drivers for NVIDIA, and that would take up almost 30 minutes. But for now, it's fine. It can take a few minutes, but just get me a valid output. What is this? What is the output which I get? Welcome to the stream. What is your name? Hey, Siddharth, can you pronounce what is his name? Put party, thanks. I have removed the power to put party, but there are other things you can control. It's just people were spamming. I hope you understand. But yeah, I can put party for you. Rauru. Rauru? Does it mean? Twined. Any idea what was the error here? Let me print the error. What was it? Extra data line 1 column 5. What kind of data would it return me? I'm fading up. So Python gurus, Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey, other than party stuff, there are other cool things you can do. Yeah, you can use speak command. You can use put commands, which can control what appears on my face. Thank you so much, bro. Show my face. Respect. Back to gaming. Thanks for subscribing, man. Finally, I got a new subscriber today. Yeah, there are. You can try speak command. You can try points. You can see what are your stats, etc. You can see the names right here, over there. Yeah, those are the leaderboard. That's the leaderboard for today's stream. So the max comments was sent by Coding Made Easy, Siddhant, myself, and Chetu. If you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have sent 5 messages, but so yeah, you have 6 points. And if you visit that website, which Relangi Mama is suggesting you, it will take you to the profile in my website. Basically, the number of points you have, etc. You can give it a try. The UI is not complete, but the data is almost fine. That's cool, yeah. So it's something like this. So this is my website, and if you go into the YouTube section, you will see all the user information. So Rishabh, I think he was the guy who also joined today, undegree engineer. Coding Made Easy has joined today, and this guy, Rauru. Show my face. What was the story behind this name? Rauru. Yeah, back to gaming. So yeah, you can press on this and you can see what is the last message you have sent, what are the number of points you have, and the date you joined. And the other sections are like old viewers, the people who are like oldest in my database. It's actually a translation of Rahul. Oh, so I'm going to. Is it fine if I call you Rahul? Or you want me to call? Did you see YouTube API for this? No, that's the trick. No. What would I get if I use YouTube API? They cost me a lot. No, I'm not using YouTube API, but I have all information of what's happening in my live stream. Just my live stream. What people are commenting on my stream, the number of likes, dislikes. I don't really have who likes my stream, but yeah, even I can control like the polls. If I set up a poll, I can control the points. Yeah. I can see your user information, etc. And all this data is stored in my own database, not YouTube. No. So you can search for other users. You can see some other stuff. Sritan, you can see what is the first stream, what is the last stream. I think it's better to have title for this video as well. You can see most of the video users, they come to one stream and they just say bye and won't really appear again. That's the reason they mostly have same first and last. Yeah, that makes sense. I think Jagdeep will have a different video. Yeah, reacting to Instagram, do vibe coding. There are other cool stuff you can do in my live stream. There is a thing called speak command. If you want to give it a try, you can. What is the damn error here? That's interesting. Would love to in the future videos of me. It's actually nothing. It's but that's the speak command. Thanks for using it. Someone is trying to react. I can get what's happening on the reaction, but no one really uses it. But I didn't really do it. So this application, the Relangi Mama, that's the guy who handles all the things. It's written in Golang with the help of TypeScript, and it uses SQLite database. Yeah, and it also handles the blogs website. It's a static website, but it has the database access. It's a small API where it tells you what are the number of users and points, etc. So Relangi Mama is a superior. It's a combination of 3 to 4 servers, which are Satyam. Anyway, that's Satyam. He is the one who created this thumbnail. That's my guy. Welcome back, Satyam. Show my face. I got few new people today. That's interesting. Feels me happy. And yeah, I was finally able to install a valid AI which runs on GPU in another machine, in my friend's machine. stream elements was sleeping until now. So yeah, I'm finally close, but there are a lot more challenges than I expected. First, the context, which means I cannot really feed the entire transcript of my long form video for it to process. I need to send it chunks. Linking the video, I didn't understand. Liking the video. Thanks for the like. So yeah, there was a bit of challenges I'm trying to adjust one. So I failed to run this Olama in my PC because of running. I ran out of storage in local C, and I tried to install it in my streaming PC, but just because of streaming and all these animations, it had enough. It cannot handle my AI, so I asked my friend. So he said it's fine to use his PC, which is identical specs. It has a 3080 and a i7 CPU, 13 gen. It was running fine. The AI Olama Gemma 3, which has 128K context window, which is what I need. So I'm just writing a script which basically takes the transcript chunks of it. Show my, what is the thing? Back. Oh, you are using this. I even forgot what was the voice command. Yeah. So that's one other thing, Raul, which is you can control the OBS layout or the stream layout. What was I trying to do? Yeah, I got a weird error, which is this. It says something line error. I was just thinking, what is the response for this? You know what? I can save a lot of time if I can just run it in this way. I'll copy all this results.segments and I'll just paste it instead of running the whispers, which could save me a lot of time. This one is here, transcribe, result. Don't need this for now. What is window? Oh, this is not the one. Okay, sorry. Is it the same one? Yeah. Oh yeah, transcript. Okay, I don't need it for now. And inside here, I don't really need it as well. Instead of segments, I can just copy paste this thing. Or else I can do this. Data.py data equals to this. That's fine. And I'm going to just import it from data import data. Okay, and I'm going to use this. So by using this way, we can save up some time, at most 2 minutes. Thanks for the explanation. I appreciate it. You can call me Rahul. Thank you. I didn't really explain it completely. I have the repository which I used to build this Golang. The Golang Mama is open source. I just pushed it to GitHub, but it's not really plug and play. You can just see what's happening. But the idea is simple. There are 4 to 5 segments. One which is a listener of what's happening in my stream. The other is a processor, and the third thing is the UI, like what's the person who controls the stream. And the other one is the main server, which stays up all day. I do have a Raspberry Pi 02, which cost me like $10 for its price. Man, I cannot just appreciate it enough. It's awesome. I can explain that thing a lot. Let me see if I have it installed. Looks like I have it. I don't think my server is running. Well, where is the damn thing? Alerts, not here. Stream assistant. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, how can I open a file? Open, yeah, finally. Load from a file. Load from a file. Thank you. std coding stream assistant. This one. Oh yeah, it's right here. So this is a quick, it has not been updated for a long day, but there is another segment. But this is the architecture behind this relying mom. Some people feel it's simple, some people feel it complicated, but that's what's needed. It's robust. It's not some janky duct tape code. It's a working, stable code. Yeah, there are a few things I need to plug things. If I turn on my PC, and everything is automatic. I don't really have to type any commands to turn this on. It's just, it knows that I'm starting a stream. So I have set it in that way. There are a few improvements. I think Satyam knows about it, which is I don't want to go and change the backend code too often. I'm trying to move this away to a MongoDB based so that I can edit things in Fly, and that will be reflected right away. That's the next project, next set of work once this AI thing is completed. Or most likely that I just want to get a closure on this, whether I would be able to do this or not. That's the top priority. The reason why this is priority is obviously I'm recording all my streams. Why not just pull out some information, like shorts? Doesn't matter if I pull 10 videos. If any one video was giving me like 1,000 views, it's fine. So yeah, that's the thing which I'm trying to do. I'm getting a hiccup. What was this reason? Okay, let's see. It's downloading. Why is it downloading? Oh, this is something else. Okay, I don't want to use this anymore, so I can ignore it. Who is using this video path? Generate clips. Okay, this can be used, no worries. Okay. Instead of input 2, it was using input 2 instead of input 1. Yeah, it's using input 2. What is it trying to download? Whisper? I don't need Whisper, bro. It's fine. Just comment it out for now. Yeah, this is the problem. I don't know what's the problem with this. You know what I'm losing? I'm running out of patience. The error means Olama returned a response that it isn't a valid JSON, which when you try it blew. This happens a lot because LLMs, even local ones, doesn't always output clean JSON. They include extra new lines, explanation, and multiple JSON blobs. Yeah, I see. I didn't know about that. I thought AI is smart. Why not just return the response? See, what is the error I'm getting? That's not needed. Syntax. That for this also LangChain can say, you know what, let's do that. So how you want me to install LangChain in my PC or the PC which has the AI installed? You can get a function calling feature. It will always respond with a valid just. Thank you so much, Siddhant. Thank you. This is the reason I wanted to have like a tribute section in my YouTube website. So for Satyam, for you and a few other people who have helped me. So I just wanted to have a tribute section, but that's the next project. I have a list of things which I want to do. I have a lot of time as well. No. In my PC? Are you sure? Not the PC which is running the AI? Really? I mean, yeah, if that's the case, I'm fine. That's strange. Oh, this new rack thing is doing a lot of cool things. Is it free? The Python PC app. What do you mean Python PC app? This is the PC which, oh yeah, I mean, this is my PC then. Keep in mind, the LLM is being run in another PC. So I'm taking your word, I'm installing this in my PC. Get started. Yeah, where's the installation to? Hello, where is the installation? I don't have time to read all this. What is this? Familiarize yourself with LangChain tutorial, open source components by building simple applications. Yeah. This is the one. Build a simple LLM application with prompt templates and chat models. What is this? Okay. Oh, dude. But I was still interested. What is the syntax error I'm getting here? What? Line 112. Stupid. Alright, just let's revert back the changes. I did waste a few minutes, it's fine. What are the other things which are, yeah, this one is needed. It's fine. And instead of JSON, it should be text, I guess. Response.text. LangChain docs are too bad, to be honest. There's a reason for it. I think they don't really care. That's what I personally think. I'm running the script. Okay, let's see. It's downloading some 1.5 gig. It was running fine before. Alright, let it do its job. Let's see what's the other thing is doing. Pip install LangChain. Okay, that's pretty fast. So how are the days going, Siddhant? Man, you youngsters are really too advanced in this AI things. I have no idea. I was learning things now. The docs are trash. Langsmith, what is this? Many of the applications you build with LangChain will contain multiple steps with multiple invocations of Lambda calls or LLM calls. Sorry. As the application gets more and more complex, it becomes crucial to be able to inspect what exactly going. They had a problem and they built another tool to solve that problem. And that's the reason they have a product section, Langsmith and LangGraph. Now these three products will have another problem and they'll bring another product which will solve that problem. Business, bro, business. API key. If it's a notebook using LLMs, okay. It's fine. I'm obviously skipping it. But how can I use my own LLM thing? These are the issues with most of these open source softwares nowadays. They just act as if they are open source, but they kind of trying to do a business. But it's fine. They at least have come up with a tool which is useful. Oh my god, I only have 30 more minutes. Okay, that's interesting. LangChain or Llama. What you call it? I don't know. I have disabled that link sharing thing, but YouTube still has that security. That's fine. I think you're in GitHub. Sorry, not GitHub. In Discord. This is an experiment wrapper. Okay. This documentation for chat llama. It's interesting. Okay. Do I? We can chain our models with a prompt like this. Oh, that's interesting. The UI is terrible as of now. You're talking. I feel like you're talking about my website. Oh, you're talking about your website? I made a new one, but hasn't published on prod yet. Try Llama Index, the guy with the code. Welcome to the stream. Show my face. Welcome to the stream, the guy with code. Do you have a name or the guy with code? That's pretty long, but yeah. Welcome to the stream. I'm Blazing Bane. I can give you a walkthrough of what's my streaming about, and there are cool commands. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. If you dislike my stream, something's going to happen. If you want to try them out. If you're interested, just ask me. I'll tell you what are the cool things which I'm talking about. If you're not, it's fine. Back to gaming. Oh, did my message got sent? Probably. I was lack of content. I guess my messages were removed. Probably. I don't have any control. Anyway, welcome to the family. The guy with code. Go ahead. So if you like my stream, you can remove the like if you wanted, but I'm not begging for like. Let's play with YouTube algorithms. Yeah, just press the like. You can remove the like afterward. It's fine. The like button. Double tap. That's what happens when someone likes my video. Now just dislike my video. Go ahead, do it. Just dislike. That's what happens if someone likes and dislikes my stream. There are other cool things like speak command. I can give you a demonstration quickly. If you go to my stream chat and then just type exclamation space. Thanks for the like. Let's keep it on like, yeah, thank you. So speak, hi. What's the name? The guy with code. Blah, use. JK. I'm just typing some garbage. So this is the speak command. That was used in my previous streams a lot when I was streaming gaming content. I was not able to see the chat too often, so I just gave people this option. You can use the speak command so that I don't have to look at the chat, focus on the game. That's one thing you can use. And the other thing is show my face. So these are a kind of controversial, not many like it, but you can control what appears on my face. If you find it funny, you can use it. If not, well, don't use it. These are not webhooks. These are not webhooks. See, it's a complicated architecture. I have actually gone through it just now. Yeah, I was explaining this to Rahul, I guess, the guy with a different name. So that's one thing, and you can use this points. So every time you send a message, you will be assigned some points. As of now, everything is free. So whatever the command you use, you're not being charged of any points, but it's not as a real currency. It's just to stop some spam. Well, Mahu name too long. I didn't understand that, but okay. So the other cool stuff is back to gaming. I kind of forgot what are the other cool stuff. So yeah, points. So you can type exclamation points. That will tell you how many points you have. And it will also give you a link. You can open it and see your stats. I can just open it for you quickly. So go here. I don't have any website. Blazing Bane, that's my website, which is built on Hugo, purely static, but there are some dynamic components which are written in Alpine.js. So yeah, this is you, the guy with code. You can see you're a new user. There's like top users, new users, and old users. If you click on your profile, you will see the number of points you have, the date you have joined my channel, and the last comment you have made. And this section is the first stream, I mean the first comment you made on my channel, and this is the last. You will see the same video here because the first and last is the same for you. All right, I'll end my boring stuff. If you want to know more about my commands, these are the list. There are other things like you can use a nice, respect, screen, face. There are other commands which you can control what appears, or basically the layout of the stream. If you want to see my face, just type exclamation face, show my face. I have triggered that the script, but if you want to go back to the screen now, just type exclamation screen. It will take you back to my screen. I will do that for now. Back to gaming. Yeah, there are other cool things, but the list is a bit huge, so let's focus on this first, so that you won't feel overwhelmed what's happening. I can't show you. What do you mean show me? Yeah, Jagdeep, again, welcome back to this. The terrible UI I was talking about was one of my own AI based website. Oh, okay. If you, it's fine if you want me to take a look at it. Thanks for the like, Jagdeep saying. I know it's you. I have reached 10 likes. Oh, it's erase background. Yeah, that's right. Erase bg.org. Is this the site? This is the one. Oh yeah, I understand. Why it's showing undefined when I start? Yeah, that's one thing I'm trying to identify. I don't know. Oh yeah, what is? You can definitely use it as a server because I have a Raspberry Pi that is like a 32-bit, pretty like 2-core processor. It is able to like handle like 4 to 5 servers. Yeah, that's one thing I'm unable to understand, Jagdeep. I don't know what event it was triggering. It only happens when right? I don't know why is that happening. Probably there is some trigger has been updated. I was trying to maybe I was changing the code. I think I can change it right here. Static alerts. What is the thing? Leaderboard alerts. I think it's Instagram alerts. Maybe I have changed a few lines. Oh, if it's alert type, it would just push it. Oh yeah, oh, sorry. I forgot to react to your website. Sorry. So you say the UI looks bad. I say it's good. It's simple, clean. I like it. But one thing I would say is it's too dominated by one color. That's one thing I have to say something. Then that's the thing. But I don't have any issue with this. It looks beautiful. It looks fine. I don't know why you're complaining about it. It's awesome. Well, I didn't like it. These section for some reason. Yeah, this needs a little bit more work. No gut. I mean, yeah, you can't really fight heat. So yeah, it's fine. Just undervolted, put a thermal limit so that it won't reach. It was for SEO. Okay. It's fine. So what is the UI section you want me to like try it? The FAQ, I understand. So why not just, I mean, you placed it in the first page, obviously for SEO. So why not just put more work into this? And maybe this seems misaligned. I mean, yeah, it's aligned, but human eyes can easily pick things which are misaligned. That's one thing I learned about UI. Out of all things, I could see that this thing didn't align with this. This is the side, bro. So, what is that command? Back to gaming. Sorry, Jagdeep, you know that's exclamation speak. Dude, really? What is this? I didn't really open it. Shivam Kumar. He's kind of upset, but man, if you don't enjoy or if you don't like watching my stream, then it's fine. You can just scroll, you will find some other stream. Relax. It's still morning in India, so don't really have that much negativity in just in the morning. Relax. It's for, I don't know, it's kind of famous on us, that beloved heart maker. This is the founded by Saga Saab. I'm interested in this Saga Saab. Yeah, the color combination is somewhat. I like this combination, it's fine, but if you see this screen, it's too dominated by one color. This, I feel it's better to use some other color for the background slash, but again, it's my opinion. Oh, you made a light theme, or I don't enjoy light themes. Blocks, you have blocks as well. Try yellow for background. Yeah, I think there is a little bit of improvement needed. I don't know if I have an image myself. Downloads. This is one of my image. Are you storing the data with you, or are you going to delete it like every day, few days later, or something? This seems fine. $30. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Change background. Why not have some gradients? I don't think people would really appreciate unless you are using something for a green screen. I'm not criticizing. It's a good work. It's just try to have a bit more, gradients or some images as a background. It should be fine. Which one is it? Breakfast. Yeah, yeah. It's probably some package, I guess. There are a lot of packages to use it. Yeah. Image compressor, image converter, change background. Oh, I think, there is change background. Oh, this is also a single page application which handles that case. What model? I think your messages are being deleted for some reason. Oh, the guy with code. Yeah, what was the thing you want me to try? I'm trying to. I got mixed up things. So what are the two things you want me to try? I even forgot what I was trying to do. Yeah, string indexes must be in a string. Dude, don't span off script. It's in dev. I didn't really understand the context. Sorry. Something is missing. I didn't really change much in this code, but it didn't work. Okay, I have 15 more minutes. I got work tomorrow, so yeah, if you have anything to say. I shared a few links earlier, but web apps, try checking them. You can share it in my Discord, bro. For some reason, YouTube doesn't really allow links. You know the reasons. You can join this Discord. You can just type exclamation Discord, and it will give you the link. You aren't even active in Discord. So let's have one social media platform. Which one do you want me to use? Twitter, Discord. I would say Twitter, that's fine. Yeah, that's the Discord. Model by a Chinese. We are fine-tuned in with your custom dataset. We have fine-tuned it with our custom dataset. What link are you trying to say? Oh, yeah. You're modeling. Okay, I understand. You have fine-tuned it. That's an awesome work, man. You guys are so smart than me. Discord update. Yeah, that's one thing. You can use my Twitter if you want. I think I have it logged in. Yeah, you can send messages here if you want to. I started to use this platform a lot these days. But Discord is also fine. It stays open, but it's it's just Discord. It does its job. I hate Instagram and LinkedIn, so I don't try to even connect in those platforms. Is it still working or what? Hey, imaginary mate. Your imaginary mate. Welcome to the stream. What's your username in Twitter? It's the same. It's Blazing Bane. Right here. I think you can type !X. I don't think that was pushed into my backend yet, but sometime. But yeah, I don't know how to share it. Is there any button which I'm supposed to press? I'm too old. I don't even know how these things work. Where can I see the profile? Yeah, profile. So yeah, this is my profile. Yes, it's Blazing Bane. So yeah, let's welcome our new viewer, your imaginary mate. Show my face. What are we doing? We started off doing something and we tried to react to some of our viewers' work, which was these websites. Yeah, we just reacted to it. So currently, thanks for the like, people. Thanks for the like. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. So let's first answer imaginary mate. What are we trying to do? So welcome to the stream first. Why would someone dislike? Whoever disliked my stream, you will have Wi-Fi issues. Probably I got my like back, so I'm not going to put any curse on you. So imaginary mate, the thing which initially was the plan was to build an AI-based processor which could. I'm going to ignore those for some time. Yeah, I'm getting for some errors for this. So the Discord, I got a message in Discord. I got some notification, but general, where is general? This has been expanded a lot by my friends, and I don't even know where general is. Alerts? Not this one. General. Here it is. Oh yeah, code guy is typing. So imaginary, sorry for the delay. So what I'm trying to do now is I record 2 to 3 hour videos every day. I would like to use a tool which is exactly the same like Opus. If you're aware of it, then I'm trying to build something like this. It doesn't have to be this good. It's just needs to trim out, like cut short clips from my video and then just save it somewhere so that I can manually download them and make a little bit tweaks. Yeah. See you. You can join again tomorrow. Yeah. Enjoy your college. Man, for your age, you guys are in colleges and you are able to build these many applications. Back in the day, I was just hosting a game server. That was enough for me. Yeah. Respect. That music actually is from Battlefield game. I'm a gamer as well. I do play Battlefield, Rainbow Six Siege, PUBG, Fortnite. Share the link in the Discord. One second. Oh, this is the thing. Code guy, official help. Copy. Does Firefox work fine? Off script. Turn Excel into automation scripts with one click. That's interesting. I have heard that Excel started to add Python into it, but never really used it. I was a developer. Someone disliked my stream. Why? If you're disliking it, I mean, if you're trying to have fun, go ahead, do it. But if you're truly disliking it, tell me what you didn't dislike so that I can improve. That's one thing. Okay, imagine I'm also a web developer, but kind of noob. Don't feel like that. Just, oh, it's only for enterprise. It's no use then. Firstly, the site looks super simple, clean. I like such UIs. I mean, yeah, most of the website looks this way because those kind of UI is actually simple and good. Yeah, I like it. Plus points for that. Transform Excel works. I don't really use Excel much, so I don't know how to evaluate this website. But let's look at it as from a developer standpoint. So yeah, you can just type exclamation screen. I want you guys to get habituated for that. Siddharth, I love it. Yeah. I kind of forgot what screen I'm in currently. So how it works? Describe your task. Okay, this is simple, straightforward. Points. So this subsection, which you have it's kind of taking the it has its own character. You have a decent character which appreciated, it's awesome, and then you have some funky character which is going on, these animations and everything. But again, it's fine. It's just my preference, so don't really put much note into it. It's just that's what I'm trying to do. Again, I don't really know much Excel, so for people who are like excited for this tool, they might not even look into this. But for me, just looking at it, it's like, okay, did I open an ad or something? I really thought it was an ad. When I scrolled it, I thought it was an ad, and I have a ad blocker and a DNS filter. And I was like, is it my ad blocker not working? But yeah, it's not really an ad. It's just. So I kind of like these animations, but because of these dots, it doesn't really make any valid contribution to say few functions doesn't work. Yeah, it's fine. So even big companies have struggled with making it 100% perfect. Describe your task, generate a script, implement and save, copy to. My agent workflow broken. Okay. Oh, congrats, you got 20 points in the stream. Now let's go to features. I think this is how it works. Okay, this is just one page then. What tool are you using? Definitely not Angular. You're using Next.js. Why is the need of Next.js for these? Isn't it too overkill? I was just looking for a web design inspiration for my website, and your live streams put up. What? You had to come to my stream. This is the website I have. Look at it. It's plain black background and some blocks. That's it. And you want to see this? What motivation you would get from this? Just tell me. I'm just too lazy. You know. I obviously have full potential to make it look beautiful. I know. I believe in myself. I'm sure that I can do it. But I have better projects to work on, so I just. Yeah, old but. Old kind of does the front-end work, so I kind of focus on back-end part. But it's fine. Again, I was just curious. I saw a lot of website and people were like straightforward using Next.js, which is fine. It's not a crime, but what makes you do it? Look at me. I was using Alpine.js. Oh no, man. Next.js like the default choice these days. People learn React as first choice, and now Next is now like a default start. Okay. It's fine. I don't really complain about it. It's just the mindset. Why would you do it? Because I wouldn't do it in that case. It has a big bundle size. It's not really. My site actually has some dynamic data, and I don't use React or Next.js. I use Alpine.js, which I'm not proud of, or I'm saying you should also do the same. It's just tried and tested everything. Am I the only one who uses plain React.js without any TypeScript or anything else? Might be. I can't use React.js. Once I got into TypeScript, I just can't use plain JS anymore. Yeah, I would use React.js with Vite if I really need it. And I try my best to not to use into like React or Next.js until I really need it. it's actually easier to get started with right now. Next-gen, yeah, TypeScript is really easy. I mean, unless you try to learn everything in one go, it's hard, but try to use it step by step and you will like it. So imaginary mate, if you're having issues with TypeScript, just try to use Ennis for now. Then you'll just go step by step. I was actually the same. Like it was 5 years ago when I first started TypeScript. I was like, I felt like I'm writing Java or something. But once you enjoy it, once you understand it, there's no way back. I don't know why I hate TypeScript. Understandable. I hate Python. I mean, not hate. I understand why people use it, but I don't really like typing Python. But yeah, to make things possible, you need to use whatever language which the industry is using. That's the hard reality. But again, you don't really have to hate it. There might be a reason why you hate it, but it's a good thing. Is the Excel thing your personal project, or is it you are working on your company? It looks like a product itself. Yeah, it's a good product. Yeah. So I have drifted way away from my actual work to some reacting, then like AI, then LangChain. So what was the inspiration for this? So let's start automating, generate your Excel code. You could have easily added a space inside this. I mean, you're building a product. So. Although check my site. Which was the site? Is this one? Did you paste any links? I think this is the one, my site. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Crafting innovative digital experiences. That's beautiful. Okay. Discover your growth opportunities. Yeah, that's fine. The thing I said before, human eyes are really good at finding gaps or uneven patterns. The right example is this app development and IT infrastructure services. These things are the front page. Maybe I am just looking at them in the first beginning, but yeah, those gaps are easily identifiable. We can see there is a hover animation and like wiggling a little bit. If it's intentional, that's fine, but it's not a fancy website. You already have a fancy loading, that's enough. Yeah, the website he has built is really good. Yeah, they're awesome. I really like the loading animation. It's not that fancy, but it's good. We can see a subtle animation with these. Awesome. I understand. It's a hand. It's awesome. But just put some work with these. Align this properly. Check our work. A showcase of our minimalistic designs and creative solutions. View project. Okay. Good websites, industry standards, pretty straightforward. I don't see any issues. I don't see anything that impressive, but why would you like to review my startup clothing brand website? Well, can we continue this in tomorrow's stream? It's almost 12. I have to go to sleep. If not, I would be late for tomorrow's work. Sorry. You guys don't want me to wake up late and then log in late and then stay up late again. Spotify. Why are you sorry? Yeah, I can review any of your sites, bro. These are awesome. I like them. Does it not work? That thing works. I feel like you're inspired. You have your mindset says this. You want something like loading in the first place to get some attraction and then some subtle animations. I think that's your main go-to mindset. I'm just trying to understand. That's it. And this animation is a little bit too much for me. maybe you might be liking it, but a little bit too much. Logos and things, they should not be that moving. Yeah, it's just the first. That's the thing. I noticed that you try to have it in most websites, unless it's not wanted to be. Yeah, git merge conflict. I say fix karta. What? What's wrong with git merge? You fix something which you can't fix it, but auto Spotify. What is this thing? Auto Spotify using voice recognition, a simple script that helps you to play, change songs just with your voice. Okay. Don't they already have it? I don't use Spotify. I use Revanced. Git merge is painful. I don't think that's painful. It shows conflicts. If you're trying to use Git in the way it's supposed to be used, I don't think you should be getting conflict. Unless your team doesn't really know how to use Git. But I don't know show to fix. Okay. It was way back. Okay. I work with Git every day. We work with like a 20+ team. And if you follow a certain standards, like stash your changes, then pull the new changes, then apply it, then manually, okay, it's fine. Unless you just trust Git and just git merge, then sometimes you'll have a worse merge. It would take hours to fix it. I'm not saying it could be difficult. See, subtle animations. These are nice. This animation is nice. I wish it could have a border radius. Krishna, welcome to the stream, bro. Oh, it was. Oh yeah, I understand. It was way back. Okay. Bro, Rag is here. Who's RRG? Show my face. Anyway, welcome to the stream. We got few subscribers today. Actually, I got 10 likes, which is the first time I ever got. So let's celebrate. Is he using frame motion or just CSS? There are a lot of libraries to use it for this. I think there is AOS or something which can be used for some subtle animations. But yeah, these can be done in CSS as well. But yeah, most of the time the website looks good, except these few alignments for some reason, and that wiggly thing. I noticed them first. So RGG is watching. Hi. I am not really too much active in social media platforms, so I might not know RRG, but it's fine. Don't get offended, please. YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. I even forgot what I was trying to build. I was working with an LLM, and now it's something here. RRGG. Is it a prank? Is it streaming in Twitch? Twitch doesn't support Firefox or what? This looks bad. Why is it as mobile Twitch? Okay, that's thank you. RRG. I don't think this is RRG. RRGG is a 1v1 LOL player. I used to play that game 1v1 LOL like 2 years back. It's been a long time. Thanks for using this that screen command. Yeah, thank you. So people, Krishna, Moksh, you guys can like my stream and something will happen. Try liking my stream and you will see what happens. It's interesting. I have developed my own code for it. So let's see RRGG 1v1 LOL. So do you mind telling me the YouTube channel name? Whatever it is. It's a full-fledged mini Uber app. Man, you are so talented. I must say, you are so talented. Drive home. Search RRGG plays. Okay, that's the full name. Yeah. Sorry if you're still watching RRGG. Sorry, I wasn't really aware. It was like 2 to 3 years back when I played this game. I didn't know people were still playing it. RRGG plays 4-4. The one. I don't see him live. I like your stream. Keep it up. Thank you so much. Respect. See his montage. This one? I don't know. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm going to watch it in some other. Which one is the topmost? I'm going to watch it in another window. Oh. Some copyrighted music. He has good aim. Hey, thanks for the like. People who liked my stream, thank you so much. I'm watching the montage. It's just copyright thing. So is it only me who thought AI was made using if else? Not really. AI is it's like matrix multiplication. The more score you get, the more it leans towards that answer. It doesn't really know exact answer. That's the thing about AI. It's a guess. If you say 3 into 3, those were. It's not a copyright, right? Show to FF. Welcome to the stream. What's happening? Someone raided my channel or what? Well, the thing is, these videos I used to watch it before. At the time I'm streaming, those were not really copyrighted. But after a few months or 2 months, the original video music or the music owner would then decide like, okay, let's make it copyright. And then all my previous videos would have a copyright. Oh yeah, you asked about Rust. I didn't really learn Rust because I didn't really find any use, which was like I need to spend 3 more months or 2 months. I'm a slow learner. I have no shame in accepting that. I'm a slow learner. It takes me time to learn a new language. Why? I first go into like learning what's the mindset behind the language, then use it, and then think, do I really need it? Which was the case. I didn't really understand Rust. But yeah, if I find it any useful, and obviously wait for it. We'll learn it. Hey, let's go. You're watching RRGG, bro. Love you so much. Yeah, thank you. Wait for the like your stream. Okay. Just hate the types. Rust is like way too much. What are your thoughts on PHP? WordPress. Thanks for the like. I had to fix that thing, which is popping up when something happens in the like. So I kind of forgot what's the main reason for it. What are your thoughts on PHP? Yeah, the thing is, PHP lasted long. Laravel, WordPress, it had its place. Most of the websites still even now runs on WordPress, which is supported by PHP. There is nothing like WordPress. People have tried to come up with something and they failed. It's that robust. If you need something which is server-sided, most of the hospitals like delivery, let's say 5 years ago, they still used WordPress. Now things are moving into cloud. They're not using it that much, but yeah. Yeah, the GD CMS is a sports. I didn't really know that word. So. PHP mainly used by college and universities for their website. Yeah, and there are a lot of coffee shops there, like in Europe and other places, which like small businesses. They don't really care which language do you use. They just want a website, and they want like a drag and drop control. Which platform supports it? How do you know about RRG? I must say, I wasn't really aware. Someone, Ektamosh or someone, Krish, he told me that that dude is watching me. That's how I came to know about it. How many viewers I have? Hey, look, that's me. One of this site which is I currently trying to fix is Gasp. What is the word? I can't even pronounce it. So yeah, for some reason it's like showing this alert. Kind of pushed it back. I think I did push it up. So let me see my previous commits. What exactly I have changed? Oh, I can't really see it. It's almost 12. I can wake up late tomorrow. It's fine. Otherwise, being assistant. Type in your browser and replace dot with dot. Oh yeah. Okay. Go dot campus. Okay. Go dot. Is it .com? Well, I'm unable to call it. You can just text me in my Twitter or something. It's fine. What was I trying to do? Yeah, I wanted to see my previous commits to see if I changed something. No changes in here. No changes in here. No changes in here. Alerts. No changes. No changes. Installer. This is the last update I have. And what are the things I changed? Nothing. It was last month. And after that thing, what are the things I changed? Better folder structure. .ca, that's the one I have. Oh, no, I see it. It's probably a school or a team sports related. Let's see. What is it built on? Definitely WordPress. Most probably WordPress. I'm still not sure. Your task was to revamp this. I mean, yeah, tweets they didn't really align it properly. I mean, you got some work to do. So it's fine. Don't say no to any work. You might learn something new. So revamp this. Are you revamping this? No, it's custom built CMS. Yeah, that's the thing. Previously, that's how websites were made. Check. Presto Sports. Man, WordPress was dominating a lot previously. Oh yeah, CMS by yeah. This website looks fine. Honestly, it's even fine for they just didn't really have a dark mode. But yeah, it's developer prefers it, but people are fine with this. I don't really see it's fast. It's convenient. Probably has some optimization for images and everything. So what are the things they want here? Yeah, probably WordPress because everything looks same. Let me see this one thing. Whenever someone likes, why is the reason it's happening? Added Mongo based. Jeff. I like your stream. Thank you so much. Thanks for the like. Respect. You're like Spear. Nah. There's no way I'm like him. Thanks for the like, people. So that's the thing. Why is that being popped up? I can debug it, but it's almost 12. I have to go to sleep. It's almost 12. Almost 10. Thanks for the RRGG people who joined my stream. Liked. Feels good. Bot. Stream assistant. Alerts. Static. installers. I think this is the one I'm using. Custom GIF? No. I should have renamed it something else instead of installers. What's that? Siddhan, tomorrow make the AI app name. Oh yeah, thanks for the 10 comment. Bro, please DM RRG. I stopped playing 1v1 LOL a long time ago. I stopped playing it. Very easy. I don't have it in my Discord. I will definitely check it out, Krishna. No issues. Can someone like my stream? I want to see what's happening in the WebSocket. Why was it figuring it? I will try it myself. I'm feeling sleepy. I like my stream. If that's the case. No, bro, he's playing all games like Minecraft as well. Do you have a Twitch link? I don't think he's live streaming. If you have a link, then paste it in my Discord. You can find my Discord by typing !Discord, and it will share you the link. And you can just share it. I'm excited to see. I played a lot that 1v1 LOL game. So yeah, there is a sweet little bug. I can't find it. Yes, EST, yes. Eastern. So there is a console log message somewhere. Okay. It's a new message. Okay, let's see through. Why would it have alert type in something? Oh, maybe I need to. He's just 16 years old. You know about RRGB. I'm 1 hour ahead. Where are you from? Are you? There is no way you can't be in US and more than EST. It should be CST or PST. But 16 years old, playing 1v1 LOL. I am 26 years old. Yeah, it should be alert type like. Yeah. Okay. Let me just change it. What was I trying to do before? California. Okay. Were you able to understand my English? Instead of alert type, yeah, there's alert type and message dot alert type equals to like Canada. Oh, sorry. I thought CA means like California. Okay, if it's like, then that's how it is. Okay. Bro, I'm your big fan, bro. Please miss one message to RRG. Tell me where do you want me to text him? Is it like, do you have his Discord or something? Do you want me to text him in Instagram? Because I have to download the entire app to do it. I don't really use that platform. Yeah, this should fix it, I guess. Yeah, just send me one link so that I can know. That's the problem. I identify the problem. It's fine. Okay. So the thing is, it should be a specific type instead of like. Remove logs from portability. Oh, you're talking about this? This is not very portable. I really need this console log because sometimes I try to change some things in the backend and I forgot to change it. Thanks for the like, people. Today's stream looks awesome. Thanks for one more like. I'm going to go to sleep in a very happy way. Thank you so much for all the comments and likes to my stream. It's 15 likes. I never really got 15 likes in my entire streaming time. Thank you so much. Let me just fix this one thing and I'll go back to sleep. For like, this is the one I'm using. For alerts, what is the other thing? Why? Tell me, what platform is it streaming on so that I can see? I don't see any live stream in his channel. Is he streaming on Twitch? What is the GGS44? I think RRGG is not here. Okay, okay. Hey, thanks for the like. Someone disliked, but it's fine. So dislike text as where is the process message queue? That's fine, and I go inside it. Then what? And then user database. Okay. Check user database. What language are you using? It's Golang, by the way. Yeah, Zarina, Zrilangi Mama is a bot. Something's happening. Someone is liking and disliking my stream. Why not Python? Why would I use Python? Python and Golang are completely different. This is a static language. This is efficient. This can be executed in Raspberry Pi. It has a robust concurrency. We can develop in Windows and generate a build command. Or Arhan, oh sorry, I thought, are you using someone else's accounts probably? So there are a lot of Python. Python is also slow. It's not really multi-threaded. It's interpreted language. Bro, watch your subscribers. What's happening, man? Is everything all right? Where is it? View profile. Oh, I understand. I felt it. I felt it. When I see a name, that happens a lot, so no worries. But yeah, I don't. It's a long discussion, so why not use Python? Because Python is really slow. It's not really made to have a concurrent processes, but Golang, in just few clicks, I can just span another concurrent thread, which can process another thing, which is what exactly needs in my application. For a single comment, it spans a few function calls and then goes back, which is really needed because, hey, thanks for the like. Which is really needed because if I didn't really do that, and I could have done that in Python as well, but it was not really synchronized. Let's say you have sent like 10 messages, it would count as 8 because there is a mismatch between the concurrent. Thanks for another like. People who are liking, what's happening, man? Show my face. What's happening? Tell me. So yeah, Krishna, where is he actually streaming? I'm really excited to see. Is he on Twitch or what? Back to gaming. So what was your name? Arhan. Yeah, there are a lot of cool stuff which I built in the same language, Golang and TypeScript. You can control what appears on my face. You can just type. You can type like frog, and you'll see frog on my face. Yes. For some reason, it didn't work. It worked. Yeah, that's how it is. So you can, if you want to have Batman, you can just say put Batman. If you want Iron Man, you can say put Iron Man. There are only 5 to 6 things which you can put. There is a speak command. You can use speak. Hi, Han. How are you? Yeah, these are all for you. So if you want to see my face, just type exclamation face. You'll see my face. If you want to see screen, just type exclamation screen. So all the people who have liked my stream, respect. So this is the way. So alerts should be points. Perfect. This is just one fix. Is it points or points? Point, yeah. If you already have a subscriber, if you already have Batman on my face, if you call that command again, it goes away. Oh, thanks for the subscribe, Ronak. What's happening, man? Can someone who is a fan of RRGG tell me, where can I see RRGG? Is this one, Apex Legends? No. Is it? I don't see his name at all. Bruno, yeah, thank you. Thanks for the subscriber, bro. Tell me, who is RRGG? Okay, RRGG plays 4-4. That's the one I did. I find something in YouTube. Okay. Is it streaming? You said he's reacting to my channel. I'm missing something. Invalid link, okay. What's happening? What's happening? Oh. So he started off playing Free Fire and then moved to 1v1 log. Interesting, but you said, hey, a question, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Do you know MCP? Yeah, model context, the AI thing. Not really. Yeah, I definitely need to sleep. I'll just update the TypeScript, because if I don't really do that, I might forget it. So just 1 second. I'll just update the TypeScript and then what is the thing? And then message other type equal to Jeff, not Jeff. What was it? Points. That's it. Oh yeah, do you have any products that we can build using MCP? I must say I'm so sorry. I haven't really done much with AI. So Rona, please react. I'm going to do the reaction tomorrow. It's almost 12:30. I'm past bedtime for 1 hour. I was supposed to stop the stream at 11:30, but it went on because people were joining my stream, so it was fun. No comments. So yeah, Arhan, I'm not really a person who would lie just because I'm streaming. I never really went much deep into AI. I'm a backend engineer, database, cloud, AWS. I'm starting to do some things with AI, which I'm trying to build. That's the reason for this stream, but it went off something else. But yeah, you can join tomorrow. I'm trying to build an AI video editor. That's the thing I'm trying to do. Oh, there are too many windows. I didn't know these many I have. Fan from the yeah. Thank you so much, Ronak, for liking my stream. Yeah, I definitely feel like I can pull that build. If I cannot, that's fine. At least I've learned something, because I learned a lot in like previous streams. I learned about LangChain. I learned about Olama stuff. I learned about from Siddhant. I learned a few other things. Yeah, that's the thing. I'm just learning few things. I recently built an app for Realtor for their custom business app. Man, you are building a lot of cool stuff. The guy with code. Yeah. So yeah, Arhan. Yeah, see, my channel is Arhan AI. Oh, you're too much into AI. That's the reason you are a fan of Python. The moment you start doing, backend or frontend, you would need a lot of TypeScript, because you need like factual data. You cannot just use it dynamic languages. No, you find it. I don't know. Is it one YT? Yeah. It's really hard to find YouTube channels. You can share the link in my. I just posted anything. Just Arduino. Oh, posted anything. Just Arduino. Okay. Looks like you're a lot of low level then. You can Arhan check Elima DX Archie. Okay, you guys can have a conversations then. In the meantime, I'll just close ID OPRG underscore. What's happening? All right, people, show my face. Show my face. So peace. I will go to sleep now happily, so that because this stream did a lot good. I learned a few things. There are a few people new people came by. It feels good. So see you again tomorrow, almost same time. Peace.